Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to say it the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy price movement today, with all the news and such out there, and along with the news and the price movement, well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support that stands out is essentially this area right here at $5.90. Going back through a quick trip down memory lane, this area was a former level of resistance, which you can see right there. The price really struggled to get above it. And then there is a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken, and it was broken with a gap up this morning, you want to see them act as support. And during that first 30 minutes, I mean, just an absolutely beautiful bounce off that level. So I can guarantee it that there are some people that were sitting down there that use charts that noticed the pullback to that support, and then got themselves a very nice bounce, on the late morning, early afternoon. But point here being that 590 is definitely, an area of support to keep an eye on. More so from a bigger picture type perspective as far as measuring the health of the current price movement. Keep an eye on the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time progresses next week, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So the easiest way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? No questions asked. So that makes it very straightforward, from that perspective. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are sitting at right now, that's right up there where the price never, was able to manage to get above there at $6.35. So keep an eye on that from a resistance standpoint. Again, with all the headlines, there's prices and all that stuff being thrown around out there, but there's still a lot of speculation. So charts are still totally valid. It's not like it's a done deal or anything like that. So use these levels. I know I'll be watching this one next week, and we'll see if there's any sort of worthwhile trades that come about from it or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.